Good evening, everyone. I again welcome you to the mathematics class of the angels. Today we have taken up a question when two sides of one triangle and one median are proportional to two sides and one median of another triangle respectively. Are the triangles similar? Can we prove them similar? If two sides and one median of one triangle is proportional to two sides and one median of another triangle. Let's start. Given a triangle ABC and PQ are in which AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. We have to prove if triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Construction. Produce AD to E such that DE is equal to AD, and also produce PM to N such that MN is equal to PM. Let's start the proof. In triangle ABD and triangle ECD, we have AD is equal to DE by construction. BD is equal to DC. This was given. AD is the median. It was given. Therefore, BD is equal to DC. And this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ECD. And once we have proved these two triangles to be congruent, then we can safely say by CPCT that AB is equal to EC. Having proved triangle ABD congruent to triangle ECD by SAS, now we can safely say by CPCT that AB is equal to EC. Now, similarly, in triangle PQM and triangle NRM, this triangle and this triangle also, this is equal to this is equal to this, and this angle is equal to this angle. So by SAS, this triangle is congruent to this triangle, and therefore PQ is equal to NR, right? Having reached at this point, now let's take up this thing again. We are given now AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. This we are already given, right? Instead of this, we can also write see, we have already proved that AB and EC are equal and PQ and NR are equal. So why not take EC instead of AB? So we can write EC upon PQ is equal to, see, this we have taken from here, and from here instead of NR We can also take AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PM. Now, instead of this, we can also write EC upon NR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to twice of AD upon twice of PM. Right? See, we have multiplied both by 2. The purpose behind this is to take this full AE as well as PN. Now 2AD is equal to AE and 2PM is equal to PN. This was by construction, right? So instead of this, we can write EC upon NR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to, instead of saying 2AD, we may say AE upon, instead of saying 2PM, we may say PN. Now, let's take this triangle and this triangle. See, we have already studied when the three sides of one triangle are in the same, they are in the same ratio with another triangle. If the sides are in same ratio, then we have already proved that they are equiangular as well as they are similar. So by SSS similarity criterion, by SSS similarity criterion, we can safely say that triangle ACE is similar to triangle PRN. Triangle PRN, right? And as soon as we prove this, then we have already said that they are equiangular also. That means this angle is equal to this angle. Let's name them. If I can say this is 1 and this is 2, then let's name this one as 3 and this one as 4. In this case, we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Similarly, angle 2 is equal to angle 4. This is your equation number 3 and this is your equation number 4. Now from 3 and adding 3 and 4, we get we have angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. See, 1 and 2. Angle 1 and 2 becomes angle A. That means angle A is equal to angle P. Now, in triangle, this one, ABC and triangle PQR, we have got AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, and also this angle is equal to this angle. We have AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR, and angle A is equal to angle P. Therefore, by SAS similarity criterion, we have triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR, and this is what we were to prove. In case of any doubts, you may just go through the video once again, right? You are always welcome for your doubts. Thanks for joining.